What's up, family, friend, and hustler? On today's video, I will share with you step by step how to form an LLC here in the United States. Stick around. Back in 2013, when we opened our first restaurant, we pay an attorney to form our corporation. It cost us pretty good amount of money. And then two other corporations after that, I still also hire an attorney to help me out with the corporation. But today, I'm gonna show you how easy is forming an LLC, do it yourself. Let's just get into it. I live here in Alabama, so the website that you need to visit is www.sos.alabama.gov. And here you click the business entities, scroll down, there's an LLC. All right, let's talk about the fee. Secretary of State is $100. If you want to expedite this process, you want to get it done maybe within 48 hours, you pay another $100. Minimum probate judge fee is $50. It's based on which county you live in. The probate judge fee is different. Like Jefferson County, where I live, right now they charge $63. So just give the office call and then find out how much you have to pay for that fee. Then scroll down. All right, first thing you need to do is reserve the name of the entities or whatever corporation, LLC you want to have. In here, you click the name reservation menu and click name reservation. All right, in order to reserve the name of your entities, you got to pay. The subtotal is $25, but if you're not a subscriber, it's going to be $28. All right, the reason why you reserve name, if you fill out all that application form and then send them the check, if somebody already used your name and then they're going to reject the application, you might lose your money because they already start processing it. So here, you need to get that name and then make sure that name is available first before you fill out the application and then send them all the information. All right, let's just click non-subscriber here. All right, just fill out all this information for right now. That's just a random number. I don't know whose that number is. Mike m@gmail.com. United States, mailing address. All right, 2223. All right, let's just click continue. And here, you're gonna have to fill up your LLC name. Let's just put ABC, for example. And here, they're gonna ask you two questions. Is your LLC domestic or foreign? So this is gonna be domestic. And LLC, legal name, LLC, put LLC. See, ABC LLC. Let's click continue. All right. Let's say the name you entered is not available. That means somebody else already used that name. So let's just redo the name. Let's do Mike LLC. See if they accept this. All right. From here, I'm just gonna click name reservation only. gonna ask you about all this, who's applying for. This is an individual. Put your name right here and the address, mailing address. Click continue. Here they're gonna give you all the information that is submitted, just to make sure that they got it correctly, mailing address, email address, and all of that stuff. If you check this box and you click continue, and then they go to the next page, which is a payment. So they're gonna ask you to pay it online, and then you have to enter your credit card information, and they're gonna charge you that $28. Soon after that, they're gonna send you an email, which is you can view your file on that email. The file is gonna look like this. There you go. I just formed my LLC not long ago. This is May the 10th, 2020. I have another venture that I want to do, so that's why I want to form another LLC. So in this blank right here, you're gonna have your LLC name, and then your name and your address. And then after you get all this email, you print this out. Go back to service. Business entity. Let's see. Download this PDF file. Alright. On this first line, you're gonna put your LLC name, which is Mike LLC. This form was prepared by, and here you put your name, your address. All right, the name register agent located in register office. This is only one agent, so you put your name in here. And the address as well. So you put a different address if your mailing address and your address is different. Alright, in this thing, they give you 3 options. Check only the type applied a limited liability company being formed. So, Shares LLC, which is that what you need to click. And the professional LLC is for the professional, like an attorney, a doctor, if they want to form an LLC for their own company, this is what they're going to choose. But for us, we're going to do, like, let's just say whatever business that you want to run, like just say a coffee shop, restaurant, a car wash and stuff like that. You just do click Shares LLC. Number 6. The filing the limited liability company effective immediately on the date filed by the judge of probate or at the delay filing date, cannot be prior to the filing date specified in this filing. Let's just say we're gonna start the business next month, okay? So 06, the first of next month, 01 2019. We're not gonna attach the file, and then today's date is 05/20. 2000. Put your name here. Type the title. So if you're not an attorney helping somebody to form this LLC, you just type organizer right here. And the last part, you don't really need to fill out anything. My suggestion is send them a check. After you finish fill all this form, you need to make a copy, sign it, and then make 2 more copies. So you will have 1 original, 2 copies, a copy of the name reservation certificate, and mail this with 2 checks. Okay, the first one is for the judge of probate, is based on which area you're in, and the second one is for the Secretary of State, which is $100. All that document put in an envelope and then mail it out. After you're forming your LLC, next step is getting the EIN number. Is for the tax purpose. You know, I mean, if you want to have a business here, you make sure you pay your own tax. That was step by step how to form LLC, do it yourself. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully all this information that I share with you can help you out if you ever want to form an LLC here in Alabama. So I'm pretty sure each state in US has a different rule and regulation and fee as well. So just go to your local government website and then find out all about it. Okay, and until next time, we'll see you again.